Today I'm talking to you about turnkey house and land packages. What is a turnkey house and land package? Well, it's a package from the builder which is completely ready to rent or ready for you to move in. And it includes things like landscaping, driveway, letterbox, washing line, all that sort of stuff ready to go. But should you tick the box and do a turnkey house and land package when you're building your new home or investment property? Well, I'd say there's two answers to that. If you're building your own home and you can do things like plant a tree or roll out some turf, then perhaps you don't need the full turnkey package and you can save some money and do that stuff yourself. However, for an investment property as a house and land package, unless you have copious amounts of time and you want to go and visit that site regularly, and especially at the end to go and lay a driveway, throw some turf out or dig some holes for trees, then I would suggest you tick the box and do a turnkey house and land package, because that means that it's ready to rent or ready to move into straight away. You don't have to do anything else. Remember, you need to treat this like a business. It's the business of investing in property. And that means that you need to allocate your time very wisely when it comes to this sort of investment. Meaning that there is absolutely no point in you going digging holes and laying turf when the whole goal for you is to create the capital gain opportunity for that property there that you've just purchased as a house and land package. That's it from me. This is 2 Minutes Tops.